Fast forward 1 week. In editing time, you didn't even notice. Or did you? But you will notice what I did. I hope you can hear me because it's raining outside on this metal roof, but we did install that. That's in. Oh, you caught a glimpse of it. There it is. AC / refrigerator. That's all that's going right there. That's it. Nothing else gonna happen. No room for anything else. Potty closet still looking good. Got a couple of things just to button up on it. Obviously needs trimmed out, but it's looking good. It's looking real good. All right, let's climb in. Of course, that back shelf, and we got that put on the back wall. Yeah. So really, I don't know that I'm going to put anything else in here cabinet-wise because I think that's enough. Nice little shelf. There we go. Potty closet. Now, I do have to decide where I'm running my electric. I have found on these 15-footers that if I put the box right here, I can run one up here to this, and maybe, well, there'll be a light, 2 lights maybe, one under, one here, and probably put them on the same pull chain, and then also a outlet. Then I may be able to branch off and come over here and put this light and the refrigerator. And that would be plenty. That's enough. That will handle that outlet. That'll handle one run. Lights pull nothing anymore because we use LED bulbs. Then I will run one directly under here, all the way up to somewhere around here. I don't know. Well, you know, that just made me think. That made me think. We may just only come up and terminate for one. Then we can bring 2 under here, bring one up, and one of them can handle a light and an outlet for the refrigerator. The other one will handle just the AC itself. And that means we just need to have one more. But it's only for a light and an outlet. And maybe an outside outlet. So that'd be 2. So we're going to run 3. Woo! It's going to be 4. We're going to have to run 4. So I will either run 3 here, 2 there, and then 1. Bring it all the way here. No, I will not. Because it's got to come up. Well, either way. It's got to go up, it's got to go down. Oh, that's consternation. Because I've got to get one over here. So, but it's not much, just for the top. Just for the top. And this could be separate because there's nothing going to be in here. Just an outside outlet, unless I run the outside outlet across here, which I've done before. And it works real nice. So I might be able just to branch here, come here for 1, branch off over here for 1. That's 1 run. 2 runs, 1 to separate the AC from the refrigerator, and a light in here. And I guess, how do I get over here? I'm going to have to come from here over and up here just to get this covered. right here. That's probably what I'll do. I'll probably run this over here. Okay, that's a lot of talking. Let me go draw it out.